In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send Steam gift card by email. By the end, you'll know exactly how to send a digital Steam gift card through the official Steam store so your friend receives it by email quickly and securely. Start by signing in to your Steam account. You can do this from the Steam desktop app or by visiting the official Steam website in your browser. Make sure you're logged into the correct account you use for purchases. If SteamGuard asks for verification, just follow the on-screen prompt. It only takes a moment and keeps your account secure. Once you're signed in, go to the Steam gift card section. You'll typically find this from the store menu, or you can search for Steam gift cards within Steam. This is the official area for both physical and digital gift options. For email delivery, we want the digital route. Click Send a digital Steam gift card. This ensures the gift is delivered electronically, not as a physical card. Digital delivery is fast, convenient, and perfect for last-minute gifts because the recipient gets notified via the email connected to their Steam account. Next, select the amount you want to send. Steam offers several preset options like $5, $10, $25, $50, or $100. Choose the amount that fits your budget and the occasion. Keep in mind that your local currency may display differently depending on your region, but the process is the same. Now choose your Steam friend as the recipient. You'll see a list of your Steam friends who are eligible to receive gifts. Pick the correct friend from the list. If you don't see someone, it usually means they're not on your friends list yet, or there may be a regional restriction. Selecting the right person here ensures the gift reaches the correct inbox. Add an optional message. This is a nice place for a short note, like a birthday wish or a quick "enjoy the games." Keep it friendly and clear. The message will appear with the gift card notification, making it feel personal. Enter your payment information. Steam supports common payment methods depending on your region. Carefully review your billing details and the total amount before proceeding. If you have any applicable taxes or fees, they'll be shown here so everything is transparent before you pay. Finally, click Purchase. Steam will process the order, send a confirmation to you, and deliver the digital gift card to your friend via their Steam email and account notifications. That's it. Fast, simple,